These plants are lithops, also called pebble plants or living stones. These plants are succulents, which is why they need a very well-draining, airy soil. As soil mixture, I made a mix of 50% Vulcastrat, 25% coarse sand and around 25% potting soil. I will use a bonsai plate as pot to make a nice arrangement of the plants I got. It is important to take the plant very carefully out of the pot, since you do not want to damage the tiny roots. Take away most of the potting soil around the plant roots. Fill up the area around the plant to level the plant with the top part of the pot. Press the soil down a little bit. This pot has a lot of tinier plants in it. You can separate them from each other to spread them a bit more in the arrangement in your new pot. Fill up the rest of the pot with the mixture, so the living stones will stay in their place. Thank you for watching this video. If you've enjoyed it, make sure to give a thumbs up to this video, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Have a look around and start to grow your knowledge. Bye!